So good morning guys, GTA Cars, nandito tayo sa detailing. So pinatapos na ito ating Toyota Wigo. Sold na ito guys, nakabili sa atin is sila boss from Qatar, pero taga Pangasinan sila. So pinatapos na yung detailing. Ayan, sobrang fresh na unit na to, automatic transmission, G variant, top of the line, keyless entry, naka-alarm system na rin, may head unit, fog lights, color gray yung exterior niya, yung paint, all original, first own ito guys. Napakaganda, 1.0 engine, top of the line, bago yung mga gulong, yun, kapal, madumi pa lang, may mga side repeater signals. Tapos kahit fast brake unit to guys, palit tayo ng brand new na battery, drive belt, tapos PMS. So fast brake unit, pero lahat yan kasama, new oil syempre kasama yan, tapos detailing, 3-step in and out. So ayan, ito ang ating Toyota Wigo, pabiyahing Pangasinan to guys, kina sir. So thank you ma'am, thank you sir sa inyong Toyota Wigo, paantayin na lang, and good morning GTA Cars.